Drama is once again unfolding in the world of the Slayton sisters as a recent Instagram clip from Amy Slayton has stirred up major controversy across the 1000 LB sisters fan base. In what some are calling a moment of harmless sibling teasing and others labeling deep-rooted shade, Amy took to social media and shockingly referred to her sister Tammy Slayton as a flat-chested little dude. The offhand remark, made during a light-hearted but clearly tension-laced live session, has opened a floodgate of reactions ranging from laughter to outrage. Fans are now dissecting every moment of the short clip for context, tone, and deeper meaning. Was Amy just joking around? Or is this a sign that the sisters' relationship may be deteriorating once again? The video, which quickly went viral on Instagram and was reposted across TikTok and Reddit, features Amy Slayton joking with her followers while Tammy sits next to her, scrolling on her phone and occasionally chiming in. The mood appeared playful at first, as the sisters discussed makeup, weight loss, and their newfound attention from TLC producers. But things took a quick turn when Amy made the controversial statement, pointing to Tammy and saying, y'all think she's all tough and glam now, but she's just a flat-chested little dude with a big mouth. Tammy looked up in shock, blinked twice, and then let out a forced laugh, but her expression quickly darkened, and she silently walked off camera. That moment right there is where fans drew the line. The 1000 LB sisters community has seen the siblings go through ups and downs, but this apparent insult hit differently. Longtime viewers are used to the Slayton signature brand of unfiltered, often blunt humor, but many questioned whether Amy crossed a line by body-shaming her own sister, especially why after all the battles Tammy has fought through in recent years. With Tammy's weight loss journey, surgeries, and personal growth making headlines, some felt the comment undermined her progress and self-esteem. Almost immediately, comments flooded in. Some defended Amy, saying she was obviously joking and that Tammy didn't seem truly upset. "That's just how sisters talk," one fan wrote. "You can't expect them to be all Hallmark 24/7. They've roasted each other since season 1. But others didn't see it that way. Amy's always been jealous when Tammy starts getting attention. This was a cheap shot and totally unnecessary," said another follower. Even more intense were fans who speculated that Amy's remark was reflective of deeper jealousy or unresolved issues between the sisters, possibly triggered by Tammy's recent social media glow-up and her sudden spike in online followers. It's no secret that Tammy Slayton has been riding a wave of success and self-improvement lately. After years of being homebound and facing constant health crises, Tammy shocked the world when she successfully underwent bariatric surgery and began documenting her transformation. From appearing in makeup tutorials to sharing gym selfies and even hinting at a mystery girlfriend named Andrea, Tammy has been basking in the spotlight. Her fans have celebrated her journey, cheering her on every step of the way. Meanwhile, Amy, who initially was the one pushing for weight loss and leading the charge with gastric surgery in earlier seasons, has seemingly been taking a backseat, both on screen and off. This shift in dynamic has not gone unnoticed by fans and insiders. Reports have surfaced suggesting that Amy is struggling to balance her own mental health, motherhood, and the pressure of staying relevant in the increasingly competitive reality TV space. Since her divorce from Michael Halterman and the whirlwind of her new relationship with boyfriend Brian, Amy's personal life has been chaotic. Her once strong presence as the funny, relatable sister has been eclipsed by Tammy's bold, sometimes controversial, but undeniably viral online presence. So when Amy made the flat-chested little dude comment, many interpreted it as a projection of insecurity or even sibling rivalry bubbling to the surface. Body shaming, even under the guise of humor, becomes a complicated issue when both sisters have faced extreme scrutiny over their appearances for years. Fans were quick to remind others that Tammy had spent years being mocked and bullied for her size, and now, after working so hard to change her life, it was disappointing to see her own sister take a jab. Tammy, for her part, has remained mostly silent since the incident, but eagle-eyed fans noticed she unfollowed Amy on Instagram shortly after the clip began gaining traction. While neither sister has made a public statement addressing the issue directly, sources close to the family claim that tension has been rising between the two for weeks. One insider revealed, Amy's been feeling left out. Tammy's the one getting brand deals and TikTok sponsorships now. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes jealousy. That IG live was Amy lashing out, plain and simple. Even more telling is that TLC producers reportedly intervened shortly after the controversy broke. With the next season of 1000 LB Sisters rumored to be in production, execs are said to be concerned about the sisters' relationship affecting filming. A source close to the production team said, "We love the drama for TV, but real emotional damage between the sisters makes it hard to keep the moment. I'm going in a healthy way. If Tammy or Amy walks, the entire brand could suffer." Despite the backlash, some fans are defending Amy, saying that people are being too sensitive and forgetting the sisters' shared history of ribbing each other. But the clip is now being analyzed not only as entertainment but as a moment of real, raw dysfunction. Social media experts have also weighed in, discussing how such remarks contribute to toxic beauty standards and reinforce insecurities even among close family members. When someone like Amy makes a body-shaming comment, even as a joke, it sends a message, especially to younger fans who look up to them, said a TikTok culture commentator. It can damage Tammy's confidence and sets a harmful example about acceptable ways to talk to people, especially those trying to rebuild themselves. The Slayton family has always been complicated, and their honest, messy, and sometimes heartbreaking journey is part of what keeps viewers so invested. But with each passing season, the stakes get higher, and the emotional toll becomes more evident. What once was a quirky show about weight loss has turned into a mirror reflecting the challenges of fame, family, and self-worth. The flat-chested little dude comment may seem minor in isolation, but for fans of the show who have been watching from the beginning, it represents a fracture in a bond that was once considered unbreakable. In the meantime, fans continue to speculate on the status of Amy and Tammy's relationship. Will they reconcile? Will this blow up into a bigger feud that threatens future seasons? Or will it all be swept under the rug in favor of ratings and scripted drama? Only time will tell, but for now, the world is watching, and so is Tammy, who, despite all the noise, continues to post serene, makeup-free selfies, perhaps sending a quiet message to her followers, she's unbothered, focus. And rising above the hate, even if it comes from her own sister. Whether this moment turns into a teachable one for Amy or just another viral blip in the never-ending circus that is 1000 LB Sisters, one thing is clear, the Slayton sisters are no strangers to drama. And as long as the cameras keep rolling, there will always be another headline waiting to explode. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.